Hi everyone, my name is Erin and I will be doing a book review on Beyond the Hole in the Wall. Shigata Mitra wrote the book Beyond a Hole in the Wall. He is a professor of education technology and works in the field of cognitive science, information science, and technology education. I found this book to be empowering and showing that any child, if the means are there, has the potential to learn. Mitra proved his theory that even children who lived in slums have the capability to learn. He tested this theory by simply putting a computer in a hole in the wall. Shigata Mitra and his colleagues decided to put a PC in the slums of New Delhi. What they learned from this experiment is that even the poorest children can learn how to operate a PC system without any instruction. The children collaborated with each other, discussed ideas, and coined terms for certain functions, such as the hourglass when loading. The experiment expanded worldwide to other poor areas as well as classrooms. This idea is what inspired the blockbuster hit Slumdog Millionaire. While I found the book as a whole mind-provoking, there were two aspects which I was not fond of. The first, in my opinion, was an unnecessary story, and the second was the lack of proper credit for an idea. The first problem I had with the book was the fictional story of Rita. She lives 50 years in the future. Rita got Bluetooth stereo implants for her birthday, which need to be installed into the ear. The BSI acts as a computer in your head. Her story continues randomly through the book, and I found it unrealistic. It reminded me of Back to the Future when they predicted we would have flying cars by October 21st, 2015. The second problem I had was with the idea of emergence. Mitra talks about a new curriculum that should be taught in schools. A curriculum where teachers ask open-ended questions for children can think outside the box. In this curriculum, there are three basic functions: reading comprehension, information search and analysis, and a rational system of beliefs. While I agree with this, and Mitra could have made more discoveries about this topic, they are based on the principles of Erikson, Piaget, and Vygotsky, and that should have been mentioned. The overall book is a fantastic read. It is for the person who believes everybody deserves an education. It creates an optimistic feel that we can change the way schools are being run. It can change the idea of what it means to be smart. While I had two minor problems with the book, I would still highly recommend it. Knowing is not the most important thing. To be able to find out is more important than knowing. Shigata Mitra. Thank you.